tasty and healthy soup recipes your baby needs this season. Did you know introducing vegetable soups to your baby's diet can be a nutritious and comforting way to start solids? While exclusive breastfeeding is recommended for the first 6 months, introducing vegetable soups after this age can be highly beneficial. Why soups are perfect for babies. The water content in soups keeps your baby hydrated, while the pureed consistency ensures easy consumption. Soups are also an excellent choice, as the nutrients help combat infections. Veg soup recipes for infants. 1. Spinach soup. First on the list is spinach soup. Packed with vitamins, minerals, and fibre, this soup is a powerhouse of nutrition for your baby. Suitable age, 6+ months. Ingredients needed: 1 cup chopped spinach leaves, a pinch of salt, handful of boiled potatoes and corn kernels. Optional, 1 tablespoon of cheese.
Hope this content has been helpful for you till now. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more such baby recipe videos. Continue watching.
How to make: 1. Boil spinach leaves with a pinch of salt. 2. Let them cool and puree them in a blender. 3. Warm up the puree before serving. You could make a variation by adding potatoes, lentils, corn kernels, and cheese to hide the bland taste of spinach. 2. Mixed vegetable soup. If your little one is fussy about eating vegetables, mixed vegetable soup is the perfect solution. Suitable age, 6+ months. Ingredients needed: 1 to 2 cups of chopped vegetables, carrot, peas, potatoes, spinach, corn, tomatoes, salt to taste, a dash of pepper for taste, optional. How to make: 1. Boil the vegetables in a pressure cooker until soft. 2. Once cooled, puree them into a thick consistency. 3. Add salt to taste and warm it up before serving. 3. Lentil soup. Lentil soup, also known as dal pani, is a traditional Indian favorite. Rich in protein and iron, it's a comforting and filling option for babies. Suitable age, 6 months. Ingredients needed: 1/2 to 1 cup of lentils, salt to taste, 1 teaspoon ghee, optional. How to make: 1. Boil the lentils in a pressure cooker until soft. 2. Add a pinch of salt and stir in a teaspoon of ghee before serving for added taste. Tips for serving soups. 1. Serve soups warm, not hot, using a baby-friendly spoon. 2. Avoid adding strong spices or too much salt. 3. Always supervise your baby during feeding. While soups are a great addition, ensure they are part of a balanced diet. Introduce different vegetables daily to provide variety and expose your baby to new flavors.